Up Sun Raes. Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to just be sharing with you some candles that I picked up from Bath and Body Works. So I used to really love candles, kind of got away from them and quit buying them for the most part, and I was just using like the Glade plug-ins or the Febreze plug-ins or whatever, just to have, you know, some scent around the house and things like that. And then I just recently, you know, started getting into them again when my husband and I went and made our own candles. I don't know if you've ever gone to a candle making place and sat and picked your own scents and actually stirred up and made your own candle. So we did that one night as a date night, and it was really fun. If you haven't done it, I suggest you do. I will put the place that we went in the description box below in case any of you are in the Indiana area or has that place near you. I don't know if, you know, if they're in any other areas or not, but I'll put that place down there. That's really fun, something different to do. After I did that, I thought, okay, let me get back into just getting some candles and burning them and just having a little bit more of a nice scent around the house that I actually pick and like, versus just going to the store and getting some of those Glades that sometimes are too strong or not quite what you think they are once you plug them in and all that stuff. So I picked up some candles. Bath and Body Works were having a $10 off their 3-wick candles, so I picked up a few and just wanted to share them with you. And of course, since we haven't been doing a whole lot of you know, traveling and things of that sort, I kind of went toward ones that I thought would give me that vacation vibe, island vibe, or whatever. That's just kind of the vibe I was in at the time that I ordered these. I've never smelt these before, so this is going to be my first time opening them and smelling them in front of you all. And if you all have these and you like them, let me know in the comment section below. And then if there's any other ones that you really like that you think I should try out the next time they're having a sale, let me know that as well. So this particular white candle is the Fiji White Sand. So I just thought of Fiji, laying on the beach, and anyway, so that's why I picked this one. And it does smell good. It does have a very nice, subtle, beachy type smell to me. Somewhat sweet. The packaging is okay. It's just more of a gray. I don't know. It's not my favorite packaging to look at, but I could possibly put this in something else. But it's supposed to be fresh cut sugarcane, white nectarine, sandalwood, and essential oil. So those are the scents: white nectarine, sandalwood, and fresh cut sugarcane. So it is somewhat sweet with a little bit of citrus in it, and it smells really good. So I like that one. Let me know, guys, if you've tried Fiji White Sands, how you feel about it. The next one I picked up was called Sea Salt and Linen. So that just made me think of a clean, fresh scent. Again, I'm going to more subtle scents as well, not because it reminds me of the beach, well, because of that, but the other reason is because my husband is sensitive to scents, so I have to be really careful what scents I have in the house, what scents I use on our laundry, what scents I wear, things of that sort. So I got this Sea Salt and Linen, so let's see how it smells. Now this packaging is a little bit different. It is more white with dark leaves on it, and it has the Sea Salt and Linen little label here. And it's subtle too, very soft. I hope these fill up a room because they do smell very soft. But it does smell like fresh linen and then a little bit of a sea breeze with it. So that's nice. I like it. I think he'll like it. I don't think it'll mess with his senses. Guys, let me know if you've tried that one. And The next one is Lakeside Morning. Do you hear a theme? You see a theme here? Seaside, Lakeside Morning, Fiji, white sand. So again, like I said, I was just thinking, oh my gosh, I just want to feel like when I burn these that I am relaxing, I'm on the beach, I'm sipping some wine, some pina coladas, something to kind of change the mood around here. So this one has a black outer with white leaves on it. So these are kind of opposites. Again, you know, I mean, I would prefer just a clear jar, but this is what they look like, so I'm gonna go with them. Oh, did I say what this one was? Oh, Lakeside Morning. So this does smell like a Lakeside Morning too. It smells a little bit like, think of yourself sitting on a rustic porch out by the lake. You smell a little bit of nature in it. That's what it smells like to me. So crisp autumn air, white driftwood, a hint of green apple, and essential oil. So that's what this is, autumn air and driftwood, and that's what it smells like. It smells like I would be sitting out on a rustic porch at a cabin, looking at the lake, smelling the autumn leaves, you know, that type of smell. So that's nice. I don't know if I told you guys what this one was. So the sea salt and lemon is white grapefruit, fresh salted air, a little bit of lemon zest, and some essential oils. And it smells really good and clean. And then last but not least, because I only got 4, it's called Champagne Toast. So that made me think of drinking a little bit of champagne. So we'll see. And this one is cute. So this is more of a jar that I am used to getting, just a clear jar with maybe a little bit of tint to it and everything. So I really like this one. And the scents on this one is bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine, and essential oils. Oh, and it smells good too. Oh, I can smell the tangerine in it. And the champagne type smell to it. So it smells very clean, very good as well. Soft, subtle scents that are clean, that are fresh, that are nature driven, sea salt, things of that sort. So I love these. Not too perfumey, not too flowery, not too gourmand. I used to go toward a lot of vanilla scents and things like that in the past. Apple cinnamon scents, things like that in the past, but now I'm liking a lot more subtle nature type scents, and these are really good. So guys, again, let me know if you've tried any of these, how you feel about them. I got the Champagne Toast, I got the Lakeside Morning, I got the Fiji Sands, and then the Sea Salt and Linen. So if you've tried any of these, let me know how you feel about them. If there's some other ones that you think that I would like, that are subtle, that are fresh, that are clean smelling, put those in the comment section below so I can check them out on my next purchase. But yeah, that is it for my Bath and Body Works candle collection. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, make sure that you follow me over on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.